Let me take this early opportunity to emphasize that while taking oath of office, the county governors in their inaugural speeches made a commitment on their dedication to implementation of devolution. Firstly, it is worth noting that the county governments have already made commendable strides in constituting the requisite human resource structures and completed their county integrated development plans. However, in spite of the gains made so far, there have been challenges in constituting some county executive committees as a result of delayed approvals by the county assemblies. Secondly, we acknowledge the new direction that His Excellency the President, Uhuru Kenyatta, has provided in the Big Four agenda, and would like to confirm that with the ongoing cordial collaboration between both levels of government, county governments are the biggest ally of the President in realizing tangible progress in universal health care, food security, accessible and affordable housing, and job creation through trade and manufacturing over the next 5 years.